successfully obtained over 50 granted US patents for our clients, where we handle the entire process right from the idea to evaluating whether the invention is patentable or not, preparing and filing patent applications, and responding to objections from the patent offices, including grant and maintenance. The first case study that I'm going to talk about is enabling a family-run business, automotive parts manufacturing company, to acquire high-profile European customers, retain experienced engineers, and protect themselves from their competitors. Aditya Auto Products is a family-run company with a turnover of around 2,000 crores. That is manufacturing door latches and window regulators for Indian and European automotive majors. One German client visited their factory and they asked them, among other things, how many patents do you have? And it was only then that they woke up that Europeans really value patents, right? So they came to me and said, let's start a patent incentive program in my company. Just like ISO certification, having patents is an indication of the quality and the brand of the company. I conducted a training session on intellectual property for a team of 30 R&D engineers and helped them to patent even incremental improvements, which they never even thought were patentable. And I also conducted a search to check whether their new motor was infringing patents owned by leading companies like IFB Automotive and Lucas TVS. The patent incentive program also helped them to retain experienced engineers who were used to having similar incentive programs in larger companies. The MD was delighted at the change in perception in the brand image in the eyes of the customer and the renewed sense of purpose in the team due to the incentives, rewards, and recognition. I can connect you with C. Jairam, MD of Aditya Auto, which is a 2,000 crore turnover company, and Viren Joshi, who's the president of Sigma Electric, a 1,000 crore turnover company. Connect me with promoters of electronics or automotive manufacturing companies. When you hear them talk about acquiring high-profile global customers or hiring more experienced people from bigger companies. The second case study that I'm going to describe is about a Silicon Valley headquartered company called Numerify, which is founded by industry veterans from Oracle, IBM, Microsoft, and so on, who are of Indian origin. They have raised over $50 million in money from venture capitals in the Silicon Valley. They have an R&D team in Bangalore. Even though they can afford to work with the best US patent law firms, they have chosen to work with Metayage because of our expertise in US software patents. The first US patent application that we drafted for them was granted by the US Patent Office without any objections. We have been working closely on over 10 US patent applications with Rahul Kapoor, who's the VP of R&D, and he's a President's Gold Medalist from IIT Kanpur, who has been an inventor on over 30 US patent applications, including while he was at Microsoft. I can connect you with high-profile technology leaders like Rahul Kapoor, Anup Gupta, CEO of Nextio Corp, former technology advisor to Bill Gates, and inventor on over 100 US patents. I can connect you with Parag Nayak, CEO of Sankhya Labs, who is a semiconductor industry veteran and serial entrepreneur, inventor on over 30 patents in the US. When you hear about a friend, relative, or client who's trying to start their own technology company, after working in leading MNCs like IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, or Texas Instruments, connect me with them. How much time?
1 minute.
Okay. So I'll just do one FAQ. Many people think that US patents are beyond the reach of individuals, startup companies, SMEs, and universities. Mr. Subhajan Sarkar, my client, is here with me today. We have got 3 US patents granted, and one is in the final stage for Mr. Subhajan Sarkar. He's an individual inventor who has self-financed his company. He has spent, I think, about 10 lakh rupees, Subhajan, for his US patent portfolio instead of a crore if he had worked with a US patent law firm, and he has got them granted. So I'm going to take just 1 minute more to talk about my contacts here. These are the people you can connect me to. First is venture capitalists and angel investors who invest in technology startups. Because they invest, they can connect me with the startups. Incubators, accelerators, and co-working spaces. General practice litigation law firms, not into intellectual property. And innovation consultants like our Tito Kishan here. So these are some people you can connect me to. And what is an ideal referral for me? A CEO of a VC funded, profitably growing US SME, having an R&D team in India. Or a CTO of a hardware startup like robotics, electronics, or medical devices, and Dean R&D of an engineering or medical research institution. Chief IP counsel of a mid-sized company having a small IP department. Thank you very much.